Hi and welcome back to Trinity Stamps YouTube channel. Today is a sneak peek of some of the new stamps that are going to be released tomorrow when Trinity Stamps reveals their autumn release. And this is my favorite release from Trinity Stamps ever. All the cuteness you will be seeing tomorrow, it's fantastic. And this is one of the amazing sets that you will see tomorrow in all its glory. You will see the whole set. This is just some of the images. This is a larger one that comes, you can actually get coordinating dies for this set if you want to. It's called Sleepy Hollow, and my god, it's so cute. You can see this is a layering stencil set that will be released also tomorrow, and this is the new blending buddies from Trinity Stamps with the white bristles, and I really love this one. And you can see that it actually comes with 4 different stencils here, and it's Birch 3s, so I'm gonna layer this up and I'm gonna use some gray colors. And Birch trees to me are speckled in black and white, so I wanted this to be not solid black or solid gray, I should say. I wanted this to have some shadows to it, and you can see I will layer the next one here and so on until I have used 3 of the 4 stencils in this pack. The 4th one I will not use. That actually comes with the leaves. You will see it tomorrow when it's going to be revealed. It's really cool layering set. Trinity Stamps has a lot of these sets, and they are perfect for creating scenes for your background. So this actually is the inside of my card. You will see I will do a pop-up card today. I colored all the stamps off screen, so you didn't have to see me coloring all of this. And now I'm just figuring out how I want my background for the inside panel here to look. I'm going over it with some gray again, just to create a little bit more of a shadowed look, or should I say a darker scene here, just to create like a night type of scene, I suppose. So here I'm creating the pop-up function for this card. I'm using my scoreboard and creasing the paper. I think it was on a 1/2 inch, and then I will just cut off the exit parts. I use some heavy cardstock. This is some Nina 110 pound, I think, cardstock. I will glue this together, and I will create 3 of these, 2 that are the same size and 1 that is a little bit smaller than this one. And you will see that inside of that little tree I will have these cute critters trying to get some deserved well-deserved sleeping time. So I will have him on a pillow here, so cute by the way. And I will figure out how I want to assemble this card. And you can see it comes with all of these cute accessories that you can use to decorate your card, and I will use some of them today. So you can see I'm starting off with one of my pop-up function pieces, and when I have decided where I wanted the first one, I will actually go in with the second one, just to make sure that I'm covering it up with my tree here. And then I will pop it onto it and close my card so it presses down. And then I will do the same thing to the last part here, so that it will stay, so the pop-up function will stay. Actually, I was a little bit too fast here. The glue hadn't dried when I did this. I had to keep it in place a little bit longer. I was so impatient. I just wanted to see how it looked. So you can see here I'm creating my 3rd part for this pop-up mechanism, making sure that little critter is inside of that. That was the reason I wanted it a little bit smaller, so it would look like he was inside of this. If you wanted to, you could do something more with the background. For me, this was just fine. And as you can see, I left the other part completely white. And that is because to me it's important that you can write a message inside of your cards. You could have solved this with like a piece inside, but I just thought that this would be easier just to have that white, so you can write your message on that side, and the person that is gonna get this card can look at this cute scene while they are reading your message. So to cover up the last pieces of white cardstock there, I took some grass that are included in the set and covered it up, and I created some leaves in autumn colors and spread them around this tree. And that was, I think, we're soon done with the inside, but of course we couldn't just leave this outside completely white, so I decided to use a die cut heart from some, I think that is brown cardstock, or maybe, I don't know. To me it's brown, and I used some of the other parts that I already had cut out and to create a little bit of a cute scene here. And I decided not to have a message outside of this card, and just have the message on the inside. You will see it soon here. You could do it in any way, but I think if I would do this card again, I probably would use some type of sentiment on the outside, but I couldn't figure out how I wanted the placement to be, so instead of pushing it, I decided to leave it quite simply, just to make sure that I could go in later with a sentiment if I wanted to. So this was pretty much the finished card. I used some more sequins, and that was it. I hope you like this project, and tomorrow, as I said, it will be a blog hop, and you can see all the beautiful stamp sets and dies and stencils and blending brushes and everything that is going to be revealed. So I really hope you like this. Until next time, have a great day. Bye!